Hey, if you want to see how I got this look today, stick around. Good morning, everybody, and thank you for stopping by my channel. It's Beautifulblkrican, where beauty is ageless. It is Tuesday morning. Whew. Okay, let's talk about this hair, everybody. I ordered this hair off of Amazon from Pretty Shop. And what I ordered was 1B. But now that I'm looking at the tag, I see that it is a 3. Color number 3. I love the hair. And because I'm already late, I have like 15 minutes to get ready, I'm gonna keep the hair. I'm gonna rock the hair, even though my hair is brown black. And it looks very black today. Anyway, such is life. The hair is beautiful though, I will give them that, but I wish I'd have got the right color. So let's get it together, everybody, because I am very late. Leave it to Beaver. All right, first I'm gonna start with my Clinque Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Boom, if you don't have it, please get it. I love it. This is going to be very quick today because, like I said, I am late. And like I explained in other videos, I am normally a combination skin. But of course in the winter, you know, we change, our skin changes. So I get dry, especially here. Anyway, I love that product because it moisturizes my skin so nicely and it doesn't leave it oily feeling. I'm gonna use my chapped ice, as you know, because I have been sick and these lips ain't trying to give me no love. Dry, dry, dry. All right, and today for primer, I will be using my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. You know, you get up in the morning and you think you have plenty of time, and you start messing with your hair, and next thing you know, time has run out. Because I was going to wear this one this morning. But it just reminds me of pubic hair. I'm silly. Let's keep it moving. All right, Tatcha, do your job. Think I put on too much, but it's all good. Let's get it. Oh, Tatcha's not mixing very well with my Clinque. Not good. Tatcha is showing out a little bit, huh? See, I figure if I keep covering my side hair, it won't be very noticeable. Anyway, all right, Tatcha is on. I am not going to color correct today because I don't have any time. Today for foundation, we are using the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation. This is in T30, which is Warm Honey. Boom. I'm gonna shake her just a little bit. All right. Pump a little bit on my hand. And dot her on my face. Now, she stinks. She smells straight like paint, if you ask me. But I guess that's what we're doing. We're painting our face, right? Anyway, gonna use my Tarte foundation brush to work this all in. Boom. All right, boom, now that we've got that all worked in, I'm gonna go in with my Wunder 2 Perfect Selfie HD Photo Finishing Powder. As you see that I've hit pan, that lets you know this is one of my favorites. Yes, she is. All right. And next I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Bronzer Palette to contour and warm this face up. Ain't nothing like hearing birds chirp in the morning. It just lets you know you're alive. I know, I'm crazy. I just love it. And I'm completely using the wrong brush to contour my nose because I am in a hurry and I'm picking up whatever I can find, which is not a good thing. But we have to make it work. All right. Just gonna take my ultimate blending brush and just blend all of this in. Although that brush that I used to apply did a nice job of blending for me today. All right. For blush today, we are using the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. This is 05 Desert Rose. Boom. And I am running out of time. Not good. America. Boom. I'm gonna blend her out. And for highlight today, we are using the WetNWild. This is the loose highlighting powder, Megaglow. Boom. And let's carefully highlight because the stuff is a mess. It gets everywhere. I know the highlight police are gonna come get me because I use so much highlight. But it's the highlight of my makeup routine. Ba-doom boom. Calm down, folks. We will work this in. We will work this in. I repeat. Where is she? Ultimate blending brush. See? Don't fret. All right. Let's get these eyebrows done quickly. Time is running out. The Browgal. Boom, 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 boom. Whew, time is really running out. I have like 5 minutes to get finished here. Then I gotta get dressed. All right, boom. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Masterfix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Let's set this baby. Right. And for eyeliner today, we're using the Tarte Maneater. For mascara, it is the Superhero from It Cosmetics. All right. And for lipstick today, I don't know why I feel dark, but we're gonna go with this Kiss Me lipstick. I will put the color in the description. Isn't she a beautiful, rich color? Oh my goodness, I love her. All right, everybody, this is the final look. Simple for work, get the day done, even with our off-colored hair. I have 5 minutes to get ready, to get out of here, to be leaving, to pull out. Gotta get dressed. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican. Have a blessed and wonderful day. And remember, beauty is ageless. Bye, everybody.